Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Good, and I'm fine. Okay, before we start study, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin. Okay everyone, are you ready for study now? If you're ready, please open your book Kids Corner 5. Okay, good. Now please open your book page 54. Our lesson today about after work. Okay, now please look at your book. Our lesson about after work. What is the meaning of after work? Okay, I will explain about after work. After work in bahasa it is about berangkat bekerja. Nah, in our lesson today about berangkat bekerja. So, you can understand about the kind of job or work in the lesson. So, let's listen, read, and say.
Now listen and say the words.
Businessman, businesswoman, cook, engineer, fireman, policeman, policewoman, secretary, waiter, waitress.
Okay, thank you for listening this video. After that, you had listened this audio about the kind of job. There is engineer, waiters, and then there is businessman, businesswoman, and etc. Okay, so you can understand about the kind of job. Ya, macam-macam dari pekerjaan. Okay. On your book, there is dialogue about of the work. I mean, of the work. Okay. Let's listen together.
Tinky knows all the neighbors. Mr. Winters is an engineer. He goes to work early in the morning. His wife sometimes works late at night.
Okay. Thank you for listening this video. Look at your book and read your book. Tinky said, Tinky knows all the neighbors. Mr. Winters is an engineer. He goes to work early in the morning. His wife sometimes works late at night. Nah, katanya apa? Tinky tahu semua tetangganya. Tinky knows all the neighbors, katanya. Si Tinky itu tahu tentang semua tetangganya. Mr. Winters is an engineer. Mr. Winters adalah seorang insinyur. Nah, biasanya insinyur ini itu seperti profesinya di bagian teknik mesin. Nah, like that. He goes to work early in the morning. Dia pergi atau dia berangkat bekerja pada pagi hari. Di sini early, di sini dini. Ya, berarti dia berangkat bekerja pagi-pagi sekali. Nah, his wife sometimes work late at night. Istrinya kadang-kadang bekerja sampai larut malam. Nah, ternyata mereka orang sibuk. Ya. Nah, terus Kelly said, She's a nurse, isn't she?
She's a nurse, isn't she?
Tinky said, Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Nah, Kelly bertanya, she's a nurse, isn't she? Dia seorang perawat, bukan? Yes, she is. Ya, dia seorang perawat. Now please look at this sentence. There isn't she. You can read this sentence. Isn't she? Apa sih artinya? Nah, so in our lesson, you can understand about question tag. Nah, question tag. What is the meaning question tag? Nah, example, the sentence of question tag is she's a nurse, isn't she? Nah, isn't she di sini adalah contoh kalimat tanya dia sebagai question tag. Question tag itu adalah pertanyaan singkat yang terdapat di akhir kalimat. Pertanyaan singkat yang letaknya atau yang terdapat di akhir kalimat. Nah, isn't she di sini adalah kalimat tanya atau kalimat pertanyaan singkat yang berada di akhir kalimat. Kalimat pertamanya apa? She's a nurse. Dia seorang perawat. Kalimat question tag-nya isn't she? Nah, pertanyaan singkat isn't she? Nah, isn't di sini adalah singkatan dari is not. To be is plus not. Ya, you must remember and don't forget about question tag. Nah, jadi isn't di sini adalah singkatan dari to be is plus not. Is not she. So, if you want to make a question tag sentence, you can write like this. Isn't she? But if you write question tag with is not she, itu adalah salah. Jadi ketika kalian ingin membuat kalimat question tag, maka pertanyaan singkatnya harus disingkat penulisannya seperti ini, isn't. Jadi kalau kalian menulis question tag dengan pertanyaan singkat dengan menuliskan is not she, itu adalah salah. Ya. Jadi if you want to make a sentence of question tag, nah kalian harus menyingkat to be is plus not like this. Seperti ini. Ya. Dan question tag ini, question tag ini seperti isn't she. Nah, isn't di sini, to be is dan plus not ini itu biasanya diartikan dengan, kalau di bahasa Indonesia itu diartikan seperti kan di situ misalnya apakah dia seorang guru? Bukan. Nah, bukan di situ itu adalah question tag-nya. Apakah dia sekolah di lab school? Bukan. Jawabnya bisa ya. Dia sekolah di lab school. Bisa juga, oh tidak. Dia tidak sekolah di lab school, tapi dia sekolah di sekolah negeri, misalnya seperti itu. Ya. Jadi itu isn't di sini, question tag di sini atau pertanyaan singkat di sini itu bisa diartikan seperti bukan, ya, kan dalam kalimat question atau dalam kalimat tanya, ya. Seperti ini contohnya. She's a nurse, isn't she? Kelly bertanya kepada Tinky. Dia seorang perawat, bukan? Nah, kalimat awalnya she's a nurse. Dia seorang perawat. Kalimat question tag-nya isn't she, yang berarti bukan. Bukan di sini untuk menekankan sebuah pernyataan dari kalimat pertama. She's a nurse. Dia seorang perawat, bukan? Nah, ternyata dia benar-benar seorang perawat. Jawabannya adalah yes, she is. Nah, kalau dia pertanyaannya benar, kalian akan menjawab seperti ini. Yes, she is. She's a nurse, isn't she? Yes, she is. Dia seorang perawat, bukan? Ya, dia seorang perawat. Okay, are you with me? Good. Next. Look at your book, page 54.
Here are Mrs. Brown and Mr. Brown. She's a businesswoman. Her husband is a businessman. They go running early in the morning.
Okay. Here are Miss Brown and Mr. Brown. Ini di sini ada Nyonya Brown dan Tuan Brown katanya. She's a businesswoman. Dia adalah seorang pebisnis. Nah, pengusaha. Her husband is a businessman. Ternyata suaminya juga sama, seorang pengusaha. They go running early in the morning. Mereka pergi lari pada pagi hari. Nah, ya. Ternyata di sini there is Mrs. Brown and Mr. Brown. Mereka adalah pengusaha. Lalu si Kelly bertanya kepada si Tinky, "They are very busy, aren't they?"
They're very busy, aren't they?
Nah, mereka sangat sibuk, bukan? Lihat, Kelly bertanya kepada Tinky. Mereka sangat sibuk, bukan? They are very busy, aren't they?
They're very busy, aren't they?
Nah, mereka sangat sibuk, bukan? Di sini question tag-nya mana? Aren't they? Nah, aren't they di sini adalah pertanyaan singkat. Kalau kalimat aslinya adalah are, to be are, plus not. Kenapa di sini digunakan to be are? Because di sini subjeknya adalah they. Nah, jadi teman-teman, if you want to make a sentence, you must understand about to be and subject. Nah, kalau subjeknya they, maka to be-nya are. Kalau subjeknya I, to be-nya am. Kalau subjeknya she, he, it, maka to be-nya is. Di sini subjeknya adalah they. Maka kita menggunakan to be-nya are. Makanya di sini question tag, aren't they? They're very busy, aren't they? Mereka sangat sibuk, bukan? Terus Tinky menjawab, yes, they are. Ya, mereka sibuk. Nah, karena di sini kalimatnya adalah di awal kalimat positif dan diakhiri dengan kalimat negatif dengan pertanyaan dari question tag. They're very busy adalah kalimat positif. Kalimat negatifnya adalah aren't they. Di sini yang berarti bukan. Mereka sangat sibuk, bukan? Ya,